If you're looking for an easy-to-use, beginner-friendly design software, I've got you. Whether you want to create social media posts, videos, presentations, today we're going to explore Canva in this tutorial and show you how you can use it for your business. Hey guys, my name is Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools, and resources to help you see success online. Now in today's step-by-step tutorial, we are going to be exploring Canva, which is an easy design tool that anybody can use. They have tons of stock images, different templates, graphics. So maybe you're just starting out in your business or you don't have a huge budget to hire a freelancer to do all of your stuff for you. I'm going to show you today how you can create all of those design templates for your business using Canva. So we're going to go into Canva's homepage. If you just type in canva.com, it will take you there. Or we'll also leave a link down in our description and that will lead you to the Canva homepage. Once we get on the homepage, it does give you an option to log in or sign up. Now, if you're already a member, you would then go ahead and log in. If you are not, you would then go to sign up. Gives you a couple of options to sign up with, whether it's through Google, Facebook, or to continue with your email. You would just enter one of those, select a password, and you have now created an account. Now, before we create an account, I just want to explain to you the two different types of accounts you can create. Canva has a free option as well as a paid version. With a free option, you have access to tons of different graphics, templates, fonts that they have available to you. But with a pro account, you have an even wider variety of options to use from. So I'm just going to go over here to give you an idea with the options that they have before we actually log in and sign up and explore it. Let's just click on plans. So I won't go into too much detail with their plans, but you do see they have a free, a pro, and an enterprise version. So if you're just starting out and you just need a couple of things, the free version is the best option. But if you're wanting to explore their templates, their stock images, their fonts, there is a pro account, and that allows you not just access to a wider variety of templates and graphics and images, but it also allows you to have between 1 to 5 people using their premium tools and content. Then if you're a much larger company, you may want to, as they say over here, empower your team and manage your brand. This is for a minimum of 25 people per month. You'll be paying around $30 per month. So whether you're an individual, you have a team of 5 or a team of minimum 25, there are different options for you to choose from. It also allows you to share your work with others so you can collaborate with people. So if you are a big brand or a company, this might be a great design tool for you. Okay, so once we've put in our email, we've created our account, it will bring you to your home page. Okay, so a couple of things I want to mention while we are on our home page. If you click on home over here, it's going to show you all of the designs that you have previously created. It's going to bring it up at the bottom over there. Then we have an option for templates. This brings up all the different categories. So whether it's in education, marketing, business, social media, you can choose which kind of template you're looking for and it will automatically populate those templates for you. There's also a features section, so whether you're looking for free photos, backgrounds, any particular icons, this will all be loaded underneath your features section. Then we also have Learn, where there are tutorials and different courses that you can take to learn more about Canva. And then, as I mentioned before when we're signing up, the pricing options that are available to you. Okay, so since Purely Remote focuses on creating and starting an online business, today I'm going to be doing an example of something we would need within our business. So when it comes to creating a design, we're going to click on Create a Design, and it gives you all the different options of templates you can choose from or what you want to design. So let's say you want to do a resume, poster, certificate, you can choose from there and it will give you the dimensions and the sizes for that. So as I walk you through Canva and help you familiarize yourself with the different features of it, we are going to actually create something, and we're going to create an Instagram post. So you can either type in Instagram post, or if you just want to type in what you're looking for, it will bring that up for you. Or you can just scroll down and find. So you can see, you can do an Instagram post, you can do a video, it gives you an option to do reels, stories, tons of different options, but we are just going to choose a post. Now, one thing I do want to mention is Canva does have set dimensions. So if you are, for example, creating a Facebook cover photo, the dimensions that they bring up for the Facebook cover photo will be the dimensions that is needed for when you are viewing that either on a TV or on a laptop, so a desktop, and not necessarily for when you're viewing it on a phone. So when you are designing anything, I would definitely recommend checking out and making sure that your design fits whether you're viewing it on a mobile phone, a desktop, or on a TV. So for today, we're just doing something simple, which is an Instagram post, so we don't have to worry about the dimensions because this fits our dimensions perfectly. So once you click on the template you want to create, it'll automatically, as I mentioned, size it for you. And then it will also bring up a whole lot of templates over here on the side to try and guide you and see what it is you want to do. So let's say we want to do a sale photo. You can type in sale over on the top and it will automatically populate all the different templates they have that would regard sales or selling. So you'll see here, coming soon, spring sale, modern home for sale. If there's a particular template you like, you can then select it and you can edit it from there. Alternatively, you can just create your design from scratch. So for today's example, we are going to just be using a template just to give you an idea of how it looks. So when you choose your templates, there will be ones that are for free, but you'll also see that there are ones that are part of their subscription plan. So for this one, it's pretty basic. There are no watermarks and logos on here, so I can use this one as I like. However, let's say I wanted to use this one. You'll see this image has the Canva watermark over it, and that is because it is a paid image only. So if I wanted to download, once I've edited this whole thing, if I wanted to download, you'll see it will give me an option to pay and download or to sign up for the Canva Pro account. Now, alternatively, let's say I didn't want this ice cream sundae because we are advertising something else. We can just delete that, and everything else that is in the background, everything else that's on the template is actually free. Okay, so before we actually go into editing our design, I just want to walk you through the sides over here. So right on top is your templates, which we just went through. Then we also have a section for elements. Now this can be pictures, it can be graphics. When you click over on the top over here, if you're searching for something in particular, let's say we're searching for ice cream because we just saw a picture of ice cream, it'll give you photos, graphics, videos, and different audio that you can use for your different designs. If I click on photos, it'll just show me the photos. If I click on graphics, again, it just auto populates all the graphics. If you click on all, it'll bring up everything that's underneath there. For uploads, these are any images or backgrounds that you have either downloaded from your computer or from your personal files and you are wanting to upload to Canva. Okay, now when we do get into designing the actual template, I'll show you how you can add it. Then we have text options over here. So if you want to add a heading, a subheading, or a body of text, and then there's also different font combinations below that for you to choose from that have already been designed. Now, the ones with the crown, again, as I mentioned, those are for pro accounts. So those you aren't able to use unless you either pay for it or unless you sign up to the Canva Pro account. Then there are background options. So if you want to change the actual background, if you click on there, it will automatically change the background for you. Okay, so now that we know the basics, let's go ahead and design an Instagram post. So for this example, let's say we're doing a sale for a digital course that we are promoting. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to choose a template that I want to use. Alternatively, you can just start from scratch and then use the background to add your backgrounds in over there. I changed my mind and I'm going to go ahead with this template, and we are going to say we have an affiliate marketing course and it's on sale. It's obviously a digital course, so let's add that in. So for this, we're going to do an affiliate marketing course that we're promoting. So we've changed the text, we've edited it, and to edit it, you just need to click on it and then highlight it, and you can go ahead and type in whatever you want to type. In order to resize it, you can either resize it by moving on the actual box or up over here. So if you want to make it smaller or make it bigger, you can do that. You can also just type over here and say 50, and then that will be the size that we're looking at. I don't want it to be that big because it doesn't look good. So let's just make it smaller. Also, if you want to move the box, let's say you don't want it over there, you can just click on it and drag it to wherever you want to move it to. If you want to change the font, clicking up over here, and then you can select from all the fonts that are available. Again, just a reminder, all the ones with a crown are for your premium plans, but there are definitely tons of options for the free account too. Now let's say we wanted to change the color of this so that it fits a little bit more with our branding, and we wanted it to be a blue. You can go ahead and put that in, but let's say your brand has a specific color code and you know the color code, you can type it in over on top and you can select it and it will bring it up for you over there. Now let's adjust the image. So you can see the image that they have over here is for houses. It doesn't necessarily make sense for us to put a picture of a house when we are promoting an affiliate marketing course. Okay, so to replace this images over here, you can either just delete it and then you can put in your own picture. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one. We are going to put it kind of in the same area where that one was, giving us the same kind of idea. If you right click on it, you can click send to back, bring forward, and it will then position it for you. So whether you want it behind your different graphics or behind different words, it will then put it up there for you. Obviously, it doesn't make much sense for us to put a picture of me and Chad if we are doing a digital course that we are promoting. But I just wanted to give you an example of how to put in an image. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that image. I'm going to go to elements and then type in course, and we're going to see what photos or graphics they have that will fit with what we are doing. So we're also going to delete this image over here because we don't want that. Maybe it would make more sense for us to take an image from here. We're going to click on it and we are going to position it around this area. You can then also make it smaller or bigger, and then you can make it to fit inside your box. I'm going to delete this box over here as well. Doesn't make much sense. And then we'll put that over there. Again, to edit the text, you can just double click on it, edit the text, change the font, the size, and you can adjust it that way. You can also change the color, as we mentioned earlier. We've got an image over here, but let's say maybe we wanted to add in this graphic to make a little more sense of what we're doing. Now, this particular graphic is in black, so it doesn't look good on the brown or black background that we have. You can change the color of the image by clicking on it and then going to the top, clicking on color, and you can change the color over there. And then let's say maybe you chose this design because you like the layout of it, but you don't necessarily like the colors and it doesn't fit with your branding. If you click on the actual background, you can then go to colors and you can change it to be whatever colors you choose. Okay, so we've changed the colors of our background, we've changed our text, our fonts, we've added in any images that we need. Also, if you don't like the background that is set, you can again go to background that we have over here. Let's say you want to search something that is more in line with green because your colors of your branding is green. You can add backgrounds from there. We want to add in grass or whatever you want to add in. Also, just want to give you more of an idea of what you can find under elements. If you're looking to create a border, you can just type in border over on the top and you can add it in over there. So the same way we found this border on this side that was already pre-populated for us, that's how you would add in another additional border if you were doing this starting from scratch. Now, this wouldn't be an Instagram post that I post because all the colors are everywhere. I haven't got all my information. But let's say that you were actually happy with everything that you have put in here and you wanted to now share it on Instagram. If you go to the top right and click on share, if you wanted to share this design with someone, you could type in the email over here. The second option would be to post it directly to Instagram, or you could download it and it will give you different options of what you wanted to download it as. So you'll see Canva will automatically suggest PNG for this particular post. So you can either go with a suggested one, or if you wanted to change it to JPEG or PDF, but I'm gonna go with PNG for this one. And then you're gonna click download. So you'll see it'll tell me to download with Canva Pro or to pay for these images. And that's because I've used some images that are not part of their free content. If you don't want to pay for it, you can always go back, change it to something that is within their free options, click on share again, and then you can download. So if I click on download now, you'll see it just says download. So it doesn't give me the pay and download option anymore. So once I've downloaded it, I can then save it over here to my computer or my phone and upload it to my Instagram account. Now, if I go back to my home section over here, you'll see the image I created is there. So I can always go back to it and I can always re-download it or edit it or change it up a little bit if I like the template. Maybe you want to have a standard template and use it continuously for your business. You can always go in and just re-edit it and reuse it. Now, whether you're using this for your small business or for your company, Canva does have different design tools for every option. So whether you're looking to create a video, a presentation, a flyer, as I mentioned, there are tons of templates that you can use. And it is very easy and beginner friendly, so you don't need any previous experience. Now, some ideas of where we use Canva in our business is for Facebook cover photos, YouTube cover photos, using it for the Linktree option, and so much more. Now, this was a very basic tutorial, just walking you through Canva and how to navigate your way and create a simple design. But if you do have any specific Canva questions, remember to drop it in the comments below and we'll be able to get back to you that way. Now, I do hope that this video was helpful and informative. And if it was, remember to leave a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the Purely Remote community, it would be amazing if you could hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we have a new video coming out. Again, thanks for joining throughout this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys soon.